Today we're making some rustic woodland Christmas ornaments. Welcome to the Chic Show. This is the 12 Days of Christmas playlist, day number 3, hosted by Brenda and Krista. Their channels and the playlist are in the description box below. For these ornaments, I'll be using some of these printouts that I printed from Graphics Fairy and these wood rounds from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be painting the center of these with black fusion paint in coal black. I'm using these texturized stamps that I got on Amazon just to stamp around the edge with where the actual wood is still showing. I'm also going to be using these rub-on transfers from the IOD Christmas release last year. I'm going to continue stamping around all of those ornaments and adding on a different transfer to each one. After applying the transfer, I did burnish them down with the backing paper, and then I sanded lightly over them in a couple of different directions using my sanding sponge. This way these transfers will take on the texture of the wood as well. I think these turned out lovely. I added a twine bow to the top and some ribbon, and these are ready for the tree. I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial on how to make rustic woodland ornaments. Check out the playlist in the description box below, and I'll leave you another video right here that I think you might like. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.